Hello guys, this is Govinda greets you to Govinda greets, and in this video we will be discussing about 5 reasons why side hustle is important. First comes multiple source of income. Why multiple source of income is important? Because merely let us subcategorize even this multiple source of income into two categories. First comes unpredictable disasters. When we talk about unpredictable disasters, first thing comes in our mind is coronavirus, because it has that abundantly impacted our lifestyle. The unemployment rate in India was about 23.52% of the coronavirus stepped in India. Most of the people doesn't even think of this when they start earning or when they are doing their first job. They just think of investing their money in stock market, mutual funds or cryptos. But generating a money from particular skill from scratch is much more important, because your savings or investments may not last for a long period of time. Then your secondary skill other than job would might be helping you generating some money. Second comes, if you are fired from the job or if you quit your job due to some circumstances without having other offer in hand, this should not be the scenario. I know you are smart enough to take the right decisions, but this is even more important to be prepared for such unpredictable disasters out there. Second reason is paying off your debts. Like you might be taking loans for purchasing a car or a television or any certain kind of electronic gadget. In this case, this side hustle might help you pay your loans, not in a primary aspect but in a secondary aspect. It would give you a certain amount at least. Third reason is it could turn into a job you love. Consider you are not liking the current job which you are doing. In that case, you can start your side hustle while you are doing your current job, and once you become expertise or not even expertise in the side hustle which you have started, if you started earning more through your side hustle than your current job, in that case you can quit your current job which you are not liking actually. Fourth reason is, I know this is something boring to talk about, but it will surely develop your skills as well as your experience in a particular domain or the side hustle which you have started. Fifth, it's not about saving, it's about investing. I have already made a similar video where you can invest your money, so you can check out that here. The link might be here somewhere. If you think the video was helpful, give it a thumb. If you liked it more, share it. But Govinda Greets को subscribe करना